This is my microphone box. Basically, I'm back in Cali. I have all of my mics, and I figured today I could test these out and see which one is the coolest, bestest one for my videos here on YouTube. Let's test. I've got Audio Technica 2035. I got a Behringer C1U. I got a Amazon basic ass mic. I got a Zoom H4n, Zoom F1. I don't know if we should test this one out too. No, fuck this one. I feel like the fucking president right now. Like I'm about to give the biggest, most epic speech of.
Hello.
Hi, I was wondering if you guys have XLR cables.
XLR cables, yes we do.
Yeah, what's like the cheapest and shortest one that you have?
The price is $765.
Oh, perfect.
10 out of 10 parking.
Got him. Dude, I think we're gonna be able to do this for real. Literally, I just feel like things just like do not work out for me sometimes. My SD card, as you can see, I have an idea. I just fucking grabbed the SD from my camera and put it in here. Holy fuck, okay, dude, this is gonna be crazy. This is so many microphones. This is the far away test. Great. And done here. So, let's listen to this shit. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Let's listen to the claps. The fact that all of these are the same clap and they all have different characteristics because of the mic they're being recorded on is pretty fucking tight. H4 is probably the one I'm gonna end up using for this channel and the videos because it's stereo and I feel like that's pretty cool. It's like more immersive. I just gotta figure out why it skips shit. It's probably because there's a shit ton of sand in it, but we did it. Now what? I've been wanting a drum set for literally probably my entire life. This isn't the best drum kit or electronic drum kit in the world. Probably the cheapest one you could find on Amazon, but I'm just trying to find something to beat the fuck out of. I'm gonna fucking set the timer. 46 minutes, yo. You guys literally experienced almost an hour of my life in like fucking 10 seconds. I'm gonna have so much fucking fun with this shit. These are literally slipping everywhere. I wanna do something else now. This isn't even a real beanie. It's a ski mask. I should customize this. Oh shit. I have a fucking idea. Do we sit here and watch the sunset? Or do I run and do my idea? Jumps off the roof.
Don't forget to leave a like if you enjoy this.
Shout outs to my homie Aaron. We designed this shirt together. It's available at Threat Collective if you want to support merch. I didn't invite you to come chill with me, Ant. Damn, this motherfucker got grip.